Let's make this AI-themed graphic together. To start with, click on Icon and type the word computer chip into the search bar. Then select the filled-in icon and click on Insert. Next, adjust both height and width to 3 centimeters. Place the icon at the center of the slide. With a right-click, open the drop-down and select Convert to Shape. Now you can adjust each part of the computer chip individually. Select all of the small lines on each side of the rectangle and delete them. Then fill in both of the rectangles with colors to your liking or based on brand colors. In a second step, insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Give it a white filling and adjust the outline based on your color scheme. Resize the shape to 1 centimeter for height and 8 centimeters for length. Type in your text and format the text in the Home tab. Adjust color, text size, and writing style in the right side of the toolbar. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Icon. Type the word Zoom into the search bar and select the looking glass icon. Adjust the filling to fit your color scheme. Then resize the icon to 1 centimeter for both values. Place it in the left corner of your rectangle. Then select both shapes and under Arrange, group both. Do a right-click on the rectangle shape and select Size and Position in the drop-down. In the menu on the right side, open the text box segment. With the options in your upper toolbar, make sure the text is aligned on the left. To avoid an overlap with the icon, increase the left margin to 1 centimeter in the menu on the right. Then duplicate the rectangle shape 6 more times and arrange the shapes around the center icon. You can follow the proposed distribution or adjust to your liking. You can also adjust the number of text boxes to your needs. Once you are satisfied with the positioning, insert a bended line. Make sure to always use the connection points appearing on the rectangle shapes when positioning it. If a dot turns green, that means you have successfully connected the shapes. With the yellow dots appearing on the line, you can adjust the shape and position of the bend. Then copy-paste the bended line 6 more times and connect all the other text boxes to your center icon. Then insert a straight line and keep it short. Duplicate it 2 more times and place on the center icon as you please. If you want to change the direction, use the Rotate drop-down to make sure the line stays straight. For more variation, you can also add additional bended lines, which do not connect to any text box. Again, you can either follow the proposed positioning or create a design of your own. For the last step, insert a circle shape. Resize it to 0.3 centimeters for both values. Give it a color filling to your liking. Then remove the outline. Now copy-paste and place a circle at the end of each line, coming from the center icon. Use the red guiding lines provided by PowerPoint to ensure alignment. As always, don't forget to group all shapes in the end. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.